Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to resize your image or picture just by using Microsoft Paint. So I have an image, as you can see, this is the image. Okay, if I go to the properties and then details, the width of this picture is this and height is this. Okay, and I'm just going to change this by 500 and 200. Okay, so simply going to start, then paint. Okay, paint has appeared. Now I'm just going to simply drag the image there. Okay, now I'm going to resize, going to pixels and just unchecking maintain aspect ratio. I'm not going to keep any ratio right now. And then, as I said earlier, 500 by 200. Okay, and as you can see, the image size has been changed, and now I'm just going to simply save it. And you can also save it as the file you want. Okay, there are so many options as well. And if I go to the folder again, you'll be able to find properties, details, and now the image size is now 500 by 200. Okay, the size has been changed according to me, and by this way you can change your picture size, image size with MS Paint easily. And lastly, if you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience on the comment box, your suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.